One of the things that makes this award even more special as it relates to the No-Tillage conference is that CTIC's history began in the early 80s, specifically 1982, and we actually started as the No-Tillage Information Center. Several years later, evolved to become the Conservation Technology Information Center, but I would say over 4+ decades now, we've had a deep focus and a national impact on helping advocate for no-till practices and techniques that allow farmers to be sustainable and profitable as they perhaps transition some or all of their operations over to reduced tillage, and therefore doing a better job to steward the soil and water and other resources on their farms. And of course, we've only been able to accomplish this as a result of our member organizations that have supported us, again, over the years and decades, many of which are still, that were in the original room in Chicago in the early 80s are still with us today, which even includes Mr. Frank Lessiter.
As a member of CTIC, we're very thankful for this award, and we know that the work that everyone in the room is doing to increase adoption in no-till is an important tool in a farmer's toolbox to really understand, how can they improve the stewardship of their land while also conserving vital resources that are used for a growing crop. And so all the work that folks in the room are doing, as well as the work that CTIC is doing, is important for us to really push forward and build on resilient systems here in the United States. Working with farmers and across the agricultural industry, it's really great to show demonstration and have a hands-on experience. So CTIC has been having the Conservation in Action Tour now for over a decade, almost going on 2 decades, which is really the premier farm tour in North America. And so, this is a way for us to really champion conservation practices that are on the ground and really look at different cropping systems and operations, because not every farm is the same. And so how do farmers incorporate conservation practices or tweaks to their management practices and decisions on their farm? And this is one of the ways that we do it, is to really provide a premier farm tour through the Conservation in Action Tour.